We would like to give a special thanks to our sponsor, Spin Master, for partnering with us to create this video. You know what today is, right? It's Hatchimals Day! The day where we get to hatch our Hatchimals HatchiBabies. We don't know if we are going to hatch a boy or a girl. So exciting! There are 5 surprise accessories and new species, Ponette and Chi-Tree. Today, we are going to hatch a Ponette. We are taking good care of our little egg so it can hatch. I love how it rocks. Oh no, our HatchiBaby has the hiccups. Don't worry, we'll take care of you. All better. Our HatchiBabies need a lot of love and care so they can hatch. Are you ready to hatch? You are so much fun. We are so ready for our egg to hatch. Our HatchiBaby nursery is all set up. We have our crib, a blanket, some really cool decorations. Don't go to sleep. We need you to hatch. I've already come up with a few names for our HatchiBaby. If we have a girl, let's call it Poppy. And if we have a boy, Paul. Do you like those names? I'm gonna take the rocking as a yes. I love how those glowing eyes let you know exactly how your HatchiBaby is feeling. Red means sick. Okay, don't worry. We'll take care of you. Blue means cold. And rainbow eyes means it's ready to hatch. The eyes are changing rainbow colors. I have to rub the bottom of the egg to encourage the HatchiBaby to hatch. Come on, you gotta hatch. I see those rainbow eyes. Here we go. Music. Music is good. Oh wow, it's hatching at the top. Our HatchiBaby is hatching. What is it? Is it a boy? Is it a girl? When our HatchiBaby is finished hatching, it sings the Hatchy birthday song. Remove the extra shell pieces and remove the HatchiBaby from the egg. At the bottom of the egg, there is a secret message that says, "We have a Hatchy girl." Oh no, Blue Eyes, you're scared. Don't worry, HatchiBaby. Give you a little pat and everything will be better. Inside of the egg base, there are hidden surprises. Let's remove the plastic, and we have a bottle. Perfect for feeding our HatchiBaby. Let's open another one. This is a rattle for our HatchiBaby. And our last surprise is a brush and a small toy. And our egg base can be used as a high chair. When the HatchiBaby's eyes are purple, that means she's hungry. So let's give it the bottle. When the eyes are orange, that means she's gassy. So we have to pat her head. And I love how our HatchiBaby rocks even when it's out of the egg. There are several games that we can play with our HatchiBaby. You can touch and hold both feet to record your voice. Hello! Cover both eyes to play peekaboo. Each HatchiBaby species has their own secret trick. Just touch the back of the HatchiBaby's head and the front sensor twice. Ours sings a cute little song. Our HatchiBaby comes with a birth certificate. I glued down our Hatchy Girl's secret message and write her name. We can use the accessories to play with our HatchiBaby, feed them with the bottle, brush them, and play with the rattle and cuddle buddy. They have big color-changing eyes, beaks that move, and real rocking motions. We can feed, burp, tickle, and snuggle with our HatchiBaby and they'll respond. This HatchiBaby is going to keep us very busy. Here's your rattle. Hatchimals are available for purchase online now at Target, Walmart, and Amazon. Thank you for joining us and Happy Hatchimals Day!